funny because a lot of our friends, they're like, what's Marfar? And then we realize it's the faculty that's been calling us Marfar.
Basically, the faculty came up, because we're always together, and they're like, oh wait, Marshal, Farshad, wait, Marfar, why don't we just call him that? My name is Marshal Adrian, and I'm in electrical and computer engineering.
And my name is Farshad, and I'm in electrical and computer engineering. As a mentor, by default, I'm a couple years ahead of the students that I'm helping out with in lab or in class. And that means that I have a set of tools that they haven't learned yet. My goal as a mentor is to make sure that by the time they get through my term, is that they're as good with those tools that I know as they can be from me teaching them to them. So it's kind of like me sharing my knowledge and the tools and things that I have to help them out. Students surprise me all the time. They always come up with different ways. Everyone thinks in their own way, and when you have a group of 30 students in a lab and they're all thinking of it a different way, you learn about different ways how to do it yourself. And that's actually one of the benefits, I would say, of being a mentor is you learn from other people as well. And when you help other people, you see different ways of how to do things.
And I mean, the back course really make you the well-rounded person that employers are looking for, because you have that diverse knowledge that you learn from, the non-Western world classes you have to take, the difference in power, and, all the different requirements.
TechBots is kind of like the bridge between the book and the real world. It's kind of like you get to apply what you've learned to something you can physically hold. And we call it the platform for learning because you go to your first TechBots class and you build a pretty simple bump bot. It just hits a wall and turns around. But then by the time you're in with your senior year, you've got this crazy TechBot that has a wireless remote control that might use sound to wirelessly transmit data or crazy things that I wouldn't even think possible.
Right, so when people come into Start, I usually try to tell them that college is going to be something that you've never expected. It's completely different than high school. I like to tell students that it's tough, it's not necessarily easy, but anybody can do it. You just have to put forth a little bit of effort, and with that effort it goes a long ways, and you'll get through it no matter what, as long as you keep trying. A lot of students get discouraged and they say, oh, this is too hard for me, I don't think I can do this, but I just tell them, at the end, when you graduate, like I'm graduating this spring, I can say, wow, I've done all of this tough stuff that everybody thinks is really hard, and I did it well, and now I can go out and work.